Hello, welcome to this Canon Service Support tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to forward received faxes to an email address or computer folder. Start by logging in as an administrator or as a user with administrative rights. Click on the Login option at the top right of the Home menu. The default login credentials are provided with the machine's installation. If you do not have them, please speak with the person responsible for managing your Canon machine at your site. Next, click on Settings Registration, Device Settings, Function Settings, Receive Forward, Common Settings. Use the arrow to scroll down to the next page and select Forwarding Settings. Select Fax as a receiving method and then click on Forward without conditions. Here, you can select the email address that you want the faxes to be forwarded to. Open the address book. You can now select between existing email addresses or register a new one. The file format can also be selected here. After you select the destination, you must enable the functionality. Tap on the condition name to highlight it and then click on the Validate and Invalidate button to activate it. All received faxes will now be forwarded as files to the selected email address. You can always contact Canon support if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching and see you next time.